Number 1. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price, $59,950. Location, Tacoma, Washington. This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute is a stunning muscle car, featuring a bold black exterior with striking white SS stripes. The vehicle boasts an eye-catching custom black and white vinyl interior with bucket seats, a console, and a black vinyl top, giving it a truly refined yet aggressive look. Powered by a 509 CI V8 engine, producing an impressive 415 horsepower and 387 feet per lbs of torque, this Chevelle delivers incredible power and performance. The Holley Super Sniper YEFI kit, Edelbrock RPM intake, and TH400 transmission ensure smooth and exhilarating driving. With power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, and dual exhaust, this car offers both comfort and precision handling. Rolling on rally wheels and BFG radial T/A tires, it's designed to stand out, turning heads wherever it goes. Whether cruising the streets or showing off at classic car events, this Chevelle is guaranteed to make a statement. Priced at $59,950, this is your chance to own one of the most admired muscle cars of its time. Number 2. 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Price, $79,950. Location, Tacoma, Washington. This iconic 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is a true collector's gem, featuring a stunning sunfire yellow exterior paired with a sleek black vinyl interior. With a history that includes being previously owned by country music star Ricky Van Shelton, this Corvette has a legendary pedigree. Powered by a numbers-matching 327 CI V8 engine, producing 300 horsepower, this Corvette delivers both power and smooth performance. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, and side pipes, it offers an unforgettable driving experience. The car is well maintained, featuring a recently replaced alternator, suspension bushings, and new clutch components. With both a yellow hard top and black soft top, this car provides versatile styling options. This Corvette runs and drives beautifully, making it a perfect example of classic American engineering. Priced at $79,950, this Corvette is a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history, complete with a famous previous owner. Number 3. 1963 Plymouth Belvedere Savoy Max Wedge Tribute Car. Price, $59,950. Location, Tacoma, Washington. This stunning 1963 Plymouth Belvedere Savoy Max Wedge Tribute Car is a rare gem, featuring a beautiful red exterior and a black vinyl bench seat interior. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful 426 CI engine board over to 440, equipped with a cross-ram dual 4-barrel carburetor setup, delivering incredible performance. The car features a 727 automatic transmission with push-button shifting and a reverse shift pattern, ensuring smooth and unique driving. Equipped with front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, dual exhaust, and an 8 3/4 Mopar rear end, it combines performance with classic muscle car appeal. The aluminum radiator keeps the engine running cool, while the American Racing Mag Super Stock wheels add the finishing touch. This tribute car runs beautifully and is perfect for car shows, cruises, and turning heads wherever it goes. Priced at $59,950, this rare vehicle is a must-have for any serious collector or muscle car enthusiast. Number 4. 1948 Buick Special Super Estate Wagon. Price, $42,500. Location, Burlington, Washington. This 1948 Buick Super Estate Wagon, affectionately known as the Woody, is a beautifully restored classic that showcases timeless elegance and craftsmanship. The vehicle features a gray exterior complemented by patterned gray upholstery and exterior wood paneling that adds to its vintage charm. It is powered by a 248 CI Fireball straight-8 engine, paired with a column-shifted 3-speed manual transmission. Key features of this rare Woody include a vinyl roof covering, rear fender skirts, white wall tires, a venti heater, a Borg electric clock, and a push-button AM radio. It has undergone meticulous restoration efforts, including the rebuilding of the generator and master cylinder, as well as overhauling the rear brakes. The vehicle retains its original design with minor cosmetic imperfections, such as some dents on the side trim and right rear quarter panel, which only add character to this beauty. With just 38,000 miles on the odometer and approximately 250 miles added since current ownership, this exceptional vehicle is presented in pristine condition and comes with manufacturer's literature, refurbishment photos, and a clean Washington title. If you're looking for a unique piece of automotive history, this 1948 Buick Special Super Estate Wagon is a must-have. Number 5. 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. Price, $39,500. Location, Burlington, Washington. This 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible is a classic in red, offering both style and performance. Powered by a 289 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, this Mustang features several enhancements for improved driving experience, including power front disc brakes, air conditioning, and an aluminum radiator with a cruise fan. The car's black interior features black and white pony seats, providing both comfort and style. While the red paint is in very good condition, it's not perfect, which adds to the vintage charm of this beauty. The car runs and drives exceptionally well, with no overheating issues even after a 30-mile drive under warm conditions. The car retains its 2-barrel carburetor and single exhaust system, showing that it has not been overly modified. Additional features include manual white top, power steering, functional backup lights, and an aftermarket center console. It has had rust repairs, and the underside is solid. This is a driver-quality Mustang ready to provide many years of enjoyment. Number 6. 1957 Chevrolet Corvette. Price, $125,000. Location, Burlington, Washington. This stunning 1957 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster is finished in Venetian red with a white cove, offering a beautiful combination of elegance and classic style. Powered by a 283 V8 engine with dual carbs and a 4-speed manual transmission, this iconic Corvette is a true gem. The body and paint are in excellent condition, with no cracks in the Corvette body, a rare feature for these classic cars. The frame was powder-coated after being sent to Southern California during the restoration, which was completed in 2013. Since then, the car has been in storage for most of the time. The engine block is the correct 1957-283 with a matching serial number. The restoration also included the replacement of the heads, though it's uncertain if they are 245 horsepower or 270 horsepower heads. Regardless, the car runs and drives beautifully, and it's smooth to drive, with the dual carbs providing great performance. If you're in the market for a pristine, restored 1957 Corvette, this one is a must-see. With its exceptional condition, this car is a true collector's dream. Number 7. 1970 Pontiac GTO. Price, $39,900. Location, Davenport, Iowa. This 1970 Pontiac GTO is a real GTO, and it's been in the same family for the past 45 years. Recently refinished in light blue, it features a 400-cit engine with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The car also boasts a 12-bolt rear end and a dual exhaust system with the correct splitter tips exiting the rear valance. The exterior is complemented by a rear spoiler, driver's side remote mirror, and newly installed stainless rocker and wheel opening moldings. Inside, you'll find a fully restored black interior with bucket seats featuring headrests, a center console, retractable seatbelts, and a custom AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth in the glove box. This GTO is not only a standout classic but also offers modern updates, making it a perfect blend of vintage muscle and contemporary comfort. Number 8. 1956 DeSoto Adventurer. Price, $79,500. Location, Torrance, California. West Coast Classics is proud to present this exceptional fully restored 1956 DeSoto Adventurer 341/320 HP SID V8 2-door, 6-passenger sportsman hardtop. This top-of-the-line model features the rare factory-correct two-tone white with Adventurer Gold metallic side sweep, color code 438 paint, complemented by the original brown tweed and gold, trim code 569, vinyl and cloth interior. Only 996 units of this model were produced in 1956, making it an extremely rare and highly collectible classic. The car underwent a meticulous restoration in 2014 and has been stored indoors in a climate-controlled facility since. It comes equipped with a powerful 341 Ci Hemi V8 engine with dual carbs, dual exhausts, and a PowerFlight push-button automatic transmission. This DeSoto Adventurer is loaded with factory options including power steering, power brakes, power front seat, and the rare Highway Phono record player. The car also features gold hubcaps and a full set of new whitewall tires, offering a striking visual appeal. A truly remarkable daily driver, this car combines vintage charm with modern performance and is perfect for DeSoto enthusiasts or classic car collectors. Number 9. 1970 Chevrolet Nova Coupe. Price, $34,900. Location, Davenport, Iowa. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova Coupe comes with a no-rust body and only 31,000 actual miles. It underwent a single repaint in 2013, finished in an eye-catching sunburst orange metallic. Under the hood, it features a Blueprint 383 SID-stroker engine with a polished Pro Comp aluminum intake, Holley 750 CFM carb, and MSD ignition. The car is equipped with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, 2.5-inch dual-flow master exhaust, and American racing wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich radial T/AS. The interior is original and in excellent condition with gold upholstery, complemented by a B&M Z-gate shifter. The car also includes the original spare tire, jack, and a car cover. This classic Nova offers both style and performance, making it a great addition to any muscle car collection. Number 10. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Price, $49,000. Location, Auburn, Washington. This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu has undergone several upgrades, including the SS option, and features a powerful 402 big block engine. Paired with a 5-speed Tremec manual transmission and a 411 Posey rear end, this Chevelle delivers both performance and style. The exterior is finished in a custom red candy metallic paint, while the interior is also red, maintaining a sleek and cohesive look. The car has only 2,142 miles and is in excellent condition, featuring a well-maintained drivetrain and numerous upgrades to enhance its performance. With a combination of classic appeal and modern muscle, this Chevelle is a standout addition to any collection. Number 11. 1965 Pontiac LeMans. Price, $67,950. Location, Tacoma, Washington. This 1965 Pontiac LeMans has undergone a meticulous body-off restoration, transforming it into an amazing GTO tribute. Starting with a 41,000-mile Lemons with clean original metal, the restoration includes incredible Viper blue paint, black vinyl bucket seats, a center console, reproduction rally gauges, and a new white power top. The 389 Ci V8 engine was performance rebuilt with a balanced and bored 60/12 12:1 compression, forged flat-top pistons, crane cam, and valve train. It also features an aluminum intake with a computerized fuel injection system, Edelbrock throttle body, MSD ignition, Doug Thorley headers, and much more. The front end and suspension were completely rebuilt, and the car includes upgraded quick ratio steering, front disc brakes, and stainless steel brake lines. The Tremec 5-speed transmission is paired with a performance clutch and a 355 Eaton Posey rear end. This stunning GTO tribute is not just a showpiece, it drives as excellently as it looks, guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. Number 12. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $85,000. Location, Vero Beach, Florida. This 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle has undergone a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration, resulting in a pristine high-end example that is both mechanically and cosmetically fully sorted. The car features a freshly rebuilt matching numbers 454 CI/365 HP engine and a freshly rebuilt original turbo 400 automatic transmission. Additional highlights include power steering, power brakes, Protecto plate, build sheets, and the owner's manual. The 1971 Chevelle is rapidly becoming a highly sought-after collector's car, and this restored example is ready to show and enjoy. Number 13. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $72,000. Location, Vero Beach, Florida. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle is a standout, featuring its original butternut yellow color with black rally stripes and a black convertible top. The car retains much of its original appearance but has been slightly modified for enhanced drivability and enjoyment. Custom 10-spoke wheels add a modern touch to the exterior. Inside, the black vinyl front and rear bench seats complement the exterior, with a B&M shifter, custom 6-spoke steering wheel, and a modern stereo head. Powered by a 350 Ci V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this Chevelle is equipped with power steering, dual exhaust, and a modified suspension. The throaty growl from the exhaust makes an immediate impression.